Let me start off with pointing out the obvious. There is something seriously wrong with our reality right now. Everywhere we look, in every aspect of our existence, shit just feels off or broken. Honestly, think about it. In every aspect of our lives, our existence, our perception of reality just seems to be warped or off or, like I said, fundamentally broken. We have wars, massive wars all over the planet. Never ending, unresolvable wars everywhere, on every continent. And new wars that seem to be propping up every single day. The world is just at odds with everything, everyone. That is what we're defined by right now, war, absolute war. We have the breaking down of all of our alliances, new alliances propping up. All of our borders seem to be in the process of being rewritten and redesigned. Everywhere you look, it seems like something's trying to break. Something's trying to redesign itself or alter our existence. Everywhere you look. And at the backdrop of that, we have this straight up global governance or this centralized system of control just emerging right in front of us. And a lot of people aren't noticing it, but it's coming to a time where it's going to be hard not to notice. It's right in our face. It's happening right now. This new system of control, this new system of life, this new system of governance, it's rising right in front of us. It's coming. It's coming, people. And then think about this. In the backdrop of all that, all these man-made militarial resistances and conflict and friction, we have nature seeming to be waging a war of its own. I mean, think about that. Don't let all the war propaganda distract you from seeing what else is going on. We have a massive breakdown of our natural world right now. The planet seems to be pushing back. I mean, every day we have I'm talking massive, high magnitude, massive earthquakes all over the globe. Everywhere you look. There's every single day hundreds of earthquakes, and a large portion of those earthquakes are high magnitude, destructive earthquakes everywhere. Everywhere you look, every single day. Check it out. Look, don't take my word for it. Do some investigation. Every single day, we have a rumbling and a quaking of our earth, just reestablishing the norm for, natural events. We have massive record-breaking storms every other day, whether it be hurricanes or snowstorms or typhoons, massive flooding all over the planet, not just segregated to our country, our news cycle. It's everywhere. You got to go looking for it, but it's there. Every other day, we have some new massive natural weather phenomena happening. We have volcanoes that have been dormant for thousands of years, people, just suddenly waking up and randomly erupting out of nowhere. Then think about this. We have these crazy, unexplainable, hard to process cosmic space anomalies. I mean, sci-fi shit, but it's our reality. This is really happening. We have comets coming from other, star systems that, a lot of credible scientists are debating whether or not it's a natural comet, some sort of space debris, or if it's possibly intelligently designed, like some sort of alien probe or something. People, I know that sounds crazy, but this is actual news. These are actual scientific debates right now. That's the world, the reality that we're living in. I mean, it's odd, but it's real. And there's something coming. I mean, there's something brewing right now, and it's headed for us. If you think things are bad right now, they're going to get so much worse. I see it coming. I mean, and I hope you do too. I know a lot of people do, but most people that I talk to, they are unaware really of everything that's happening. I mean, it's because our media, our news cycles, they put out what they want to put out. They direct you in a direction they want to direct you in. They're not showing you the big macro picture. Stand back, look at the big picture. Everything going on at once. It's all happening right now, people. It's coming. You need to be aware. Take notice because it's coming. Something big is on the horizon. And then in the backdrop of that, all this at the same time, we have the sun, our life-giving force, is acting extremely violent and erratic. I know, we have solar cycles and we have solar flares and CMEs. I get that. But you can't tell me, I've been here my whole life. I notice things. I watch the news. I know that we have never, ever at least in my lifetime, and really all of recorded history, we have never seen a period of time where all these things are happening at once. And as fiercely and violent and as intense as they are all at once. Bam, 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 right after another. Things are really happening, people, and it's time to take notice. Something big is coming. We just the other day had some back-to-back 3 massive X-class flares. One of them was an 8.1. That is insanely high. The sunspot that they're coming from is huge. And they're saying that it rivals the Carrington event of the 1800s, which was massive. If it happened today, it would absolutely cripple our infrastructure, our technology. People, we are witnessing a convergence of every single possible doomsday scenario all at one time. We have our man-made nuclear, war and just destruction, that type of scenario, very prevalent, very right there in front of our eyes, absolutely prevalent. Now we have all this natural phenomena, these wars, these hurricanes, these typhoons, these winter weather systems in odd places, volcanoes, earthquakes, mudslides, floods, whatever. Every single thing that you can think of is happening right now, back to back to back. I don't know. I don't see how anybody can dismiss the fact that we are definitely in a period of transition or completion. I mean, is this like a completion of a cycle that happens? I mean, we know through geology and other sciences, we know that Earth has gone through a series of cycles. Is that what we're seeing, or are we seeing something even far deeper, something far bigger? I mean, we're seeing something. We're seeing something, and it's not a fantasy. It's not a fallacy. It's not speculation. It's not conspiracy. These are headlines, people. These are really happening. Every single thing that I've just said, plus so much more, is happening right now, all at the same time, intermingled with each other. And there doesn't seem to be a good outlook for anything, people. Come on, think about it. On top of all that, look, we have this fucking bizarre alien disclosure. It seems like they're conditioning us for like some massive revealing of the existence of non-human intelligence, alien life forms, anomalous craft and technology. Some people are coming forward with encounters with actual biological beings. This is fucking bizarre. Everything we're seeing is bizarre. It's almost like you're reading a comic book or watching some kind of sci-fi movie. But these are news headlines. This is the world, the reality that we find ourselves living in right now. And it's not going away. It's never getting better. We're never going back in reverse. We're just we're gonna keep careening headlong into this deep, dark, odd, bizarre, weird abyss that we are finding ourselves falling into right now, and it's only going to get worse. History tells you that. We're never getting better. We're never moving backwards. We're only going to keep marching forwards into this dark, sinister, digital governing future that we see upon us. And look at our technology, which is another very sinister and negative outlook for our future. We have technology that seems to be surpassing humans in their abilities and know-how. Technology that is rising up to form a truly undeniable control system. We have mass surveillance. Our cars, our TVs, our phones, they're all watching us, cataloging us. I mean, everything that we do has some sort of algorithm attached to it, learning and studying and cataloging every single thing that we do, every single one of us. That is not, again, conspiracy. This is fact. This is undeniable, absolute fact that we are being watched, manipulated, and redesigned, reshaped, re-guided by a non-human system of technology. And let's not forget that this technology is being ran, governed, implemented, controlled by artificial intelligence, a non-human intelligence that is rapidly exceeding anything that humans or any kind of human construct can achieve. People, this isn't just technology. This is definitely not a leap forward. This is not progress. We're seeing a hard to even understand or process form of control invade our society. It's invasive, and it's like an infection that's just growing and growing and growing. It's non-human. This is an intelligence that doesn't come from our realm of existence. The engineers, the code writers, they'll tell you that. They'll tell you that right without any kind of hesitancy. They will absolutely tell you that they've lost the ability to control the growth and the furthering of its abilities and intelligence. They don't control that no more. They've lost that ability. Some are saying that they don't even think they could stop it if they wanted. This is an intelligence that is emerging, people. It's going to control every single thing about every single one of us. So what does all that mean? It definitely shows me that we are at the brink of something massive. Nothing like we're seeing right now. We're seeing the beginnings. We're seeing the birth pangs of something huge that is coming. And it's hard to dismiss. And I don't see how anybody, and there are people out there that refuse to see it, but they're actually either very stubborn or absolute fool. They're absolute fools. If you cannot see the correlation of what's all coming, a convergence of all these things, and you do not see it for what it is, I don't know what else to tell you. We are heading for a massive turning, a massive event that is going to rewrite everything that it means to be human. Most of us will assimilate and obey and comply with this new coming system of governance. And then there are some of us that push back and refuse it. Me, for one, I'm going to be in the latter group. I want nothing to do with this coming beast. People, I mean, again, I don't know. There's nothing that I can prove, but I'm telling you, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to see that we are living in some very troubling, turbulent, pivotal times in history. Very, very, very pivotal. I think we're seeing the end of the world. I think we are there. I think we're seeing the end times happen. I think we're right at the beginning. I mean, it's hard not to see that. Yeah, you can take each of these circumstances, these situations, you can take them each, compartmentalize them, and see them as oddities. Sure. But when you're seeing them all at one time, look, the proof is right in front of your face. I mean, it is right there. We are seeing the completion of this realm of reality, the completion of everything that we know. We are seeing the beginnings of that. I mean, think about it. I mean, go back to the warnings, the signs. A lot of these signs have already happened. I mean, we have peace treaties in the Middle East, a board of peace, a covenant with many. We have, this emerging non-human technology. It's a system. It's a non-human system of governance, of rule, of dominance. Look, soon you will not be able to deny this. Nobody will be. There's going to be things happening that to deny it is to show how stubborn and cynical and skeptical you are, even over what is clearly laid out right in front of you. And most people will still do that. Most people will still do that. But the point I'm trying to make to you people is it's right in front of us right now. Our reality is warped as fuck, and we are standing at the precipice of something major. There's a storm brewing right now, and it's coming. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like the video, and until next time, we'll see you.